All right, hi guys, it's Dr. Joel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the amazing benefits of collagen. I've been recommending collagen to my patients for over a decade, and just recently in the last year, it's getting trendy and everyone's talking about it. So I want to talk about the benefits of collagen. First of all, collagen is a protein and is found in huge quantities. It is the most abundant protein in the entire body. So 25 to 35% of all the protein in your body is made of collagen. It is in your hair, skin, nails. It is in your muscles. It is in your bone. Actually, you have more collagen in your bone than you do calcium in your bone, but no one's heard of collagen to help strengthen bones. Anyhow, so there are amazing benefits to it. Number one, fountain of youth, right? So you want to look younger, you want to fill in those wrinkles, you want to tighten your skin. Use collagen because collagen causes elasticity of skin, and the stronger your collagen is, the more tensile strength your skin is going to have, and you will literally look younger. So if you want better hair, better nails, I mean, I have had patients report that their nails actually finally grow after years of not being able to grow their nails once they call it collagen load. So it has amazing benefits for beauty. The other thing is professional athletes are using it now to increase their strength of their muscles, their ligaments, tendons, and their bones, so they reduce injuries, because the majority of that, like 90% of your muscles, bones, and ligaments and the fascia in your body is made of collagen. So super important. The other thing that's super important is collagen is in your gut. So the cells in your gut need collagen to stick together. And so if you don't have that, it creates autoimmune disease. So people with autoimmune disease, man, you need collagen. I'm telling you right now, it's going to help seal the gut, and it's going to help your immune system work better, because we know that in the gut, 70% of your immune system resides in the gut. So you need a healthy gut to have a healthy immune system, right? So people with things like leaky gut syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, things like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, very, very important. Even allergies and eczema, IBS, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, those people need high levels of collagen in order to have a chance at healing, just a chance at healing. But I'll tell you, those people heal quickly once they collagen load. And the last thing, and this is what I haven't seen or heard only but a few medical doctors talk about, the importance of collagen and proper heart function, because collagen is so important for elasticity, right? Your vessels in your heart and the vessels, your cardiovascular system, needs to be elastic to be able to vasodilate and vasoconstrict. So you need collagen to be able to do that, right? So if you're having arrhythmias, if you're at high risk of stroke, I mean, you absolutely need collagen to be able to re-strengthen your cardiovascular system, to reduce your chance of heart attacks and stroke. So where do you get collagen? For all those people, that's a lot of people who need collagen. So where do you get it? There are obvious sources. I mean, you're going to get it from food. Your body wants to make collagen, but most of us, our amounts of collagen decrease, our production of collagen decreases as we age. So we need to get it from food. So meats have some, it's more like fish. It's like the skin of fish, the skin of meat, the tendons, the ligaments and stuff. So you get some from meat, but not that much. Where you get the best source of collagen from food is through bone broth. Because bone broth, what you do is you're cooking up a broth for soup, but you're cooking up the tendons, the bones, and the ligaments of chicken or beef or fish or whatever animal that you use. So very important to have bone broth. Luckily, if you're here in Naples, Florida, we have a store called Food and Thought that makes organic bone broth, which is amazing, which is fantastic. So I pick some up there. You could also get it at Costco, but the organic stuff at Costco is in a box, and it does not taste anywhere near as good as the stuff at Food and Thought, or the stuff that you can make at home. But it does take like a day or 2 days to make bone broth at home. If you don't have access to that, right, then you'll want to take a bone broth powder. You can buy a bone broth powder. Make sure it's organic, or where they use no chemicals, so that you're not absorbing the pesticides and the herbicides that the beef eat. So bone broth is super important. Now, the other thing that I feel, so let me get 2 points across. Number one, you might just want to use bone broth sparingly, powder. If you're deficient, which I'm going to show you a test at the end of this to show you if you are deficient in collagen and you need to collagen load or not. If you're not deficient, just scoop it in once a day or every other day just to make sure you have enough, and you'll be fine, right? And you'll continue with looking young and being resilient for a long, long time. If you are deficient, right, then you'll need to collagen load, and you'll need to be having it at every moment. So you can do that through either a bone broth cleanse, which you do like 3 days of just bone broth and no food whatsoever, or you add bone broth at every single meal, and that'll be usually a scoop of it every single meal. Let me know how it works. You know, write comments in the comment boxes on how this is working for you. If you know anybody who's struggling from, you know, looking old or who is a top athlete, or who has heart problems, or somebody who has chronic autoimmune disease, please share this with them, because they need this. If they don't have this one key element, they will never heal fully. So they absolutely need this collagen. Here's the secret that no one talks about when it comes to collagen, is that you absolutely need vitamin C to make collagen, to store it and lay it down into the tissue. So if you don't have vitamin C, you're not going to be able to use, you can collagen load, but without vitamin C, it won't be as effective. So please take high levels of vitamin C. In the mornings, you could have a bunch of citrus fruits, for example, and I recommend 3 to 5 citrus fruits. Or what you can do is you can take a pill, but make sure it's a whole food vitamin C, or that it has bioflavonoids, natural bioflavonoids in that vitamin C. That'll make a world of difference, and you will get results faster. So what I'd like to do next is I'd like it to take you into my office to show you the test that lets you know if you are deficient in collagen or not. So come with me. All right, come on in.
Okay, it's like I have a day too, but like we'll be done by.
Okay, so because collagen is responsible for the elasticity of the skin, there's a simple test that you can do at home to determine if you need collagen or not. Okay, so here's the test. Between the index finger and the middle finger, you just pinch the skin up a couple of times like this. And what you'd like to see is you just let it go, and the skin should just fall like this. Okay, so this is a person who has healthy levels of collagen, and they do not need to collagen load unless they have a disease, but it's highly unlikely if your skin is like that. Okay, now here's an example of somebody who will need to collagen load because the skin is not as elastic. So if you can come with me, just put your hand right here. We'll use your other one. Yeah, perfect, thank you. Right? And so again, I'm going to do the same test. We're just going to pull the skin up between the index and the middle finger. Pull the skin up, and you're going to see how the skin stays. There's a ridge there that stays. This is not tenting for dehydration. That is collagen, a lack of collagen in the body. And so that could be affecting the immune system. It could be affecting muscles and ligaments. It could be affecting heart and causing arrhythmias and increasing your chance of strokes as well. So do the simple test at home. If you need it, then follow the recommendations for collagen loading. If you are using collagen, it's very important for you to cycle on and off for 3 months at a time. So using the collagen and the vitamin C for 3 months, and then staying off of it for 3 months. And the reason for that is very simple. You want to retrain your body to be able to create and make its own collagen, so you're not dependent on having to use bone broth or having to use scoops of powder for the rest of your life. So some people might have to cycle on and off for 3 month increments 3 or 4 times, and some people it might be a few years of doing it, but over time you're gonna retrain your body to be able to make its own collagen, which is what we want. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it as much as I enjoyed doing it, share it with as many people as you'd like, especially share it with people who are struggling with the diseases that we mentioned. Have a great day.